back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to summarize Zoom calls automatically in Fireflies. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to summarize Zoom calls automatically in Fireflies, all you gotta do is simply go to Fireflies AI. Once you are in your Fireflies AI, you need to integrate your Fireflies with your Zoom account, and you can do so by going to your Zoom account and integrating it, or you can simply tap open your settings for seamless capture or invite the Fireflies bot that is Fred to live meetings. Now, after the integration is completed, you can then select a summary template in the notebook to generate an instant overview, key points, and action items for the transcript. You can also manually upload recorded Zoom audio, video files, that is MP4, MP3, to Fireflies to process and summarize them. So, in this way, you can simply summarize Zoom calls automatically in Fireflies. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.